Hey guys, welcome to Coffee Machine Depot USA. We've got a super cool installment here today. What we're going to be doing is we're going to show those that are novices at coffee how easy it is to produce professional cappuccinos and cafe lattes. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need tools. The tools we've got of the trade here today, we've got the Elektra KUP, which is a beautiful brand new machine we've just got in. This one's in matte black. It's auto volumetric, so it's going to dose the amount of coffee we want. We've had that set up from the factory. We've got the manual steam wand over here, and we've also got an automatic steam wand. You can do hot milk here and you can do cappuccino froth over there. Here we've got the Fiorenzato F83E on-demand grinder. You can do a single shot, a double shot, or a manual shot, very, very simply. And we've got the PuqPress, which is going to tamp our coffee at a perfectly 40 pounds of pressure and nice and even. Let's have a look at this. Let's watch how easy this is. Push the double shot. 18 grams of coffee goes in our portafilter. Got our OCD distributor. Let's just distribute the coffee there so it's nice and even. Get our PuqPress, pop it in there. It's just tamped that at 40 pounds of pressure. Amazing. Put the portafilter in. Go for a double shot. Now that double shot there is going to be 40 cc's of coffee in 30 seconds. And we're going to froth the milk and show you how easy that is. Just pop that button there. I'm not doing anything here. If I was a barista, I could go serve someone, I could help someone else, I could talk, I could clean, I could take some money, I could prepare another drink. Whilst this is all happening, you don't have to worry about holding the milk steamer, watching the coffee. Everything's going to stop for you. As you can see here, we've got our latte glass. It's all done, ready to go. We're just going to wait for that milk to finish. I like to give these a wipe as well. There we go. This has a self-cleaning reminder on the machine, and you can set that for every 20 times you use it. It'll give you a little reminder, clean the system. It's easy to clean. All you do is you put some water in here, pop it in there, push those two buttons. It takes about 20 seconds to clean it, and then you're back and running. Or you can set a time limit. Instead of those 20 times, you can have a time limit. Every hour, it'll say clean the milk frother. Okay, here is our cappuccino, cafe latte coming. We've got our espresso drink there. Going to be pouring that off. One thing the machine won't do is latte art, but we'll see if Aaron can do that here today. Whoop. There we go. A beautiful cappuccino, cafe latte served on the Elektra KUP with the auto steamer, auto volumetric, on-demand grinder and PuqPress. We hope you've enjoyed this installment, and we look forward to hearing from you soon at Coffee Machine Depot USA.